going on, y'all? It's James with the game from Big J Snow Removal and Lawncare. And today I just want to talk about just learning the game, educating yourself, learning your tools, right? You gotta know your lawnmower, you gotta know your trimmer, you gotta know your bush trimmer. Because if it break down, who gonna fix it? You can't keep running to YouTube seeing how to fix stuff. You gotta know what you're doing on spot, all right? So guys, educate yourself. Please educate yourself. It's gonna help you in the long run. Educate yourself, all right? Because don't think you just gonna get out here and be cutting these people yards and think they gonna call you back if you don't know what you're doing. All right? I don't care how. Oh, just give me $10. How much is it? 20? Charge you 20. I'll do it for 10. Yeah, you'll do it for 10, but is you gonna cut it the way I'm cutting it for the dub, for the 20? All right. You gotta know what you're doing. These people. Oh, excuse me. You do have some people that's just like, I don't care, just whatever. But you got some people that care about their yard. They're not tripping about the price. They're not tripping. All right. So my thing is, guys, people ask me, well, yo, how'd you get started? Man, I sat on YouTube for about 4 or 6 months and I educated myself. And I watched the same movies over and over and over and over and over. I watched guys go out and cut grass all day and just said to myself, am I ready for this? I knew I was because I was working at Osmosis Utilities, digging holes all day. So I knew I was ready. But yeah, I'm watching these guys. What is it? Blades of Grass, Mike Andes, Make Money Mowing. It's all kind of lawn care channels you guys can tap into. You can tap into mine. You know what I mean? Tap into James with the game. Tap in. You know what I mean? Get good at this. But yeah, educate yourself. Don't just jump out here and be goofy, because you're gonna be out here looking goofy. All right. So like, that's my main thing, bro. Like, just know what you're doing out here. With any job, you're gonna do orientation, right? You're gonna sit in front of that computer for a couple of days, then you're gonna go out to the field. It's the same thing. I sat in front of that computer, then I went out to the field. The only thing is I didn't have nobody with me. It was all on me. But my confidence was there. That's another thing. You gotta have confidence. You gotta know what you're doing. All right? And it's gonna come with time. As long as you educate yourself and you learning the game. I'm sorry, guys. It's my chill day. Excuse me. It's raining outside. So I'm in here chilling. I was gonna go to the truck, but I wasn't trying to run through the rain and all that goofiness, man. I ain't got time for that. I figured game is game. And I think a lot of you guys already understand this. You gotta educate yourself and just learn the game and know what's going on out here. When I mean educate, I mean the whole thing. How to do quotes, how to fix your equipment, how to run your equipment, how to stripe the yards right, how to edge up the yards right, whether they use your string trimmer or the actual edger. It's also a science to using your edgers. For you edging the property, the stick edgers, there's a science to that. It's a science to the string trimmer. You're not just gonna get out there and think you're gonna make a perfect line without learning how to make that perfect line. All right. So listen, guys, educate yourself, please, before you get out here and tear these people on up. Because then guys like me gotta come behind you and yeah, we gotta come tighten it up, man. Ain't nobody got time for that. All right? Educate yourself, guys. Like I said, you can go right on YouTube. You can go to my channel right now. I got plenty of videos for you to watch. All right? Something dope got to pop up right now. All right? So listen, it's James with the game. I appreciate you guys' time. I got plenty of videos you can dive in where I'm working. I'm giving out game. I'm working with my kids. We just doing what we do. And we having fun at doing this, all right? So listen, that's what you want to do. Jump in there right now. Stop playing. It's James with the game, man. I'm out. Peace.